What happens to your body when you eat a pear every day? Pears are sweet, bell-shaped fruits that have been enjoyed since ancient times. They can be eaten crisp or soft. They are not only delicious but also offer many health benefits backed by science. Here are 9 impressive health benefits of pears. 1. Highly nutritious. Pears are especially rich in folate, vitamin C, copper, and potassium. They are also a good source of polyphenol antioxidants. 2. May promote gut health. Pears offer dietary fiber, including prebiotics, which promotes bowel regularity, constipation relief, and overall digestive health. To get the most fiber from your pear, eat it with the skin on. 3. Contain beneficial plant compounds. Pears harbor many beneficial plant compounds. Those in red pears may protect heart health, while those in green pears may promote eye health, have anti-inflammatory properties. Pears are a rich source of flavonoids, which are antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and protect against certain diseases. 5. May offer anti-cancer effects. Pears contain many potent plant compounds that may have cancer-fighting properties. However, more research is needed. 6. Linked to a lower risk of diabetes. Pears may help reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes due to their fiber and anthocyanins contents. 7. May boost heart health. Pears are rich in potent antioxidants, such as procyanidins and quercetin, that can boost heart health by improving blood pressure and cholesterol. Eating pears regularly may also reduce stroke risk. 8. May help you lose weight. Eating pears regularly may help you feel full because of their high amounts of water and fiber. In turn, this may help you lose weight. To add to your diet. Pears are widely available and easy to add to your diet. You can eat them whole with the skin on or incorporate them into main dishes. These fruits are especially delicious when roasted or poached. Pears are a powerhouse fruit, packing fiber, vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are thought to fight inflammation, promote gut and heart health, protect against certain diseases, and even aid weight loss. Just be sure to eat the peel, as it harbors many of this fruit's nutrients.